Now going over to question number 18. Here we have two y equals expressions and we're being asked for the solution. The solution for two functions is really the intersection. So one way to think about this situation is that if you want to find an intersection, you should get both of your equations in the y equals format and then set them equal. So here, that's a little extra easy because they're already in a y equals format. So if we simply set them equal, it'll look like this. And right now, we should be saying to ourselves, this is a quadratic. Because when you have any variation of y equals x squared, that's a quadratic. And for these, you want to get everything on one side equal to 0, preferably with the x squared term being positive. So let's try that. So all we need to do is take away 4x from both sides. And right now we'll have 0 equals x squared minus 4x minus 12. And now we're in a BC factoring situation because we have an ax squared plus bx plus c quadratic, but we only have numbers in the b and c spots. And for BC factoring, you want to ask yourself, what two numbers add to b, which is negative 4, and multiply to c, which is negative 12? So what two numbers add to negative 4 and multiply to negative 12? And the answer is negative 6 and positive 2. So we'll factor it to x minus 6, x plus 2. And now we have the zero product rule. That says that if two parentheses multiply together and the answer is 0, that could only have happened if one of them actually was 0. So let's set them both equal to 0. X minus 6 is 0. X plus 2 is 0. And solve them both. Add 6 to both sides here. Take away 2 from both sides here. And we have 6 and negative 2. What is the value of x? Well, by the way, the question is saying that when you're picking your answer, keep in mind that we want the one that's greater than 0, the positive one. So we can get rid of that one. And our answer is 6.